today is July the 10th and it's around 12 o'clock. So good none. So today we are on a trip and we are in Lake's entrance and it's so beautiful. Later I'm gonna show you around.
Good afternoon, guys. So I am in one of the lakes and it's called Lake Bunga. My barangay, Bunga Mambusaw Capiz. So it's my turn. Walking, 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 walking.
It's like a she's gonna get wet, Paul. Ah! Holy cow! I got wet. Ah, it's cold. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Oh my God! It's really cold. I'm telling you, quickly get her. Get her from there. I can't believe it's happening. We just arrived. Tapos lang to, guys. We just arrived back. Okay, matulog na kami tayo ng tamaan. Matapos, guys. It's gonna rip apart, Paul. Whatever you do, it's gonna ruin the tent. Ang tawang natabuan. Grabe hangin. Wow! Ginutulon ako sa lahat. Gago, hindi na ganit pa muna. Hindi na ganit. Babae lang. Ang tawa. Ay, grabe ang hangin. Huwag kami tulugan ka na ng gabi. Ginago. Yun na yung nangyari.
5 minutes pa lang bago kami dumating sa campsite, nagrereklamo na yung asawa ko na bakit daw grabe ang hangin. So, tapos parang may feeling na kami na parang siguro baka yung tent nasira or what. So sa sasakyan pa lang ako, magpa-parking na kami. Nakita ko na agad yung tent. Wala na, sabog na talaga siya, guys. So yung tent talaga. Wala na, it was totally ruined. Tsaka yung hangin, sobrang lakas. So my husband is still trying to fix it, guys. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, there's no way na mag-fix niya yun. Kasi nga yung hangin, sobrang lakas. So,
sobrang lakas.
Yeah, sobrang lakas.
Everyone.
So tonight, nag-book in kami sa hotel, guys, and guess what? Walang wifi. We paid $105, guys. I don't know how much is equivalent in pesos.
It's about 4,000 pesos.
$105. Tapos, is it queen size bed and one single
queen size
bed?
and a single bed.
And then, have a look at, guys. Yan lang naman yung ganito. May cabinet, tapos may fridge. Tapos, guys, walang wifi.
Ay.
Sometimes,
Walang wifi, everyone.
walang wifi.
Ay.
Ah, nakakainis,
Not
guys.
cool, not cool, huh?
So, that's all what happened for today, guys. Sobrang tired na kami. Si Rachel natutulog na, nakapang bodysuit pa si guys, kasi kala namin sa tent kami matutulog ngayong gabi, pero nag-hotel na lang kami kasi nga no choice na kami. So, we're hoping tomorrow, guys, na okay yung tent namin. Yung pinoproblema pa namin, baka kasi yung tent namin, malaki siya, at kami mga roofs. Tapos yung roofs, meron siyang pegs. Alam niyo yung metal na tinutusok sa lupa. So, there are 24 of them there. 24 of them na...
Yeah, about 24.
Yeah, 24 of them. 24 pegs na nakatusok sa lupa. Tapos yung iba na doon, ay wala namin kung saan na napunta yung iba. Kasi nga ang dilim-dilim, guys. So, well, I don't know, guys. I hope tomorrow wala nang malakas na hangin para maka-continue kami, for us to continue staying there. Kasi nga, as you can see, guys, we cannot afford to stay in the hotel every day. Kasi ngayon, we have no house pa. So, we're still waiting for the sales agent to make a call, and still waiting for some landlords na mag-accept ng application namin. So, waiting pa talaga kami. We're already here for 2 weeks, guys, and we're still waiting. It's so difficult, it's so hard, but we're surviving, guys. So, every day nakakakain naman kami, syempre. Hindi naman nakakalungkot, hindi naman sobrang hard, kasi nga, we're enjoying our life inside the tent naman, guys. Yung problema lang kasi namin, malamig dito. Tsaka yun nga, yung problema namin dito, ang grabe ang hangin. Hello, guys. That's what happened for today. So, ngayon, ready na kami matulog. Si Rachel, natutulog na. Naka-bodysuit pa siya, guys. Mamaya, I will take this off pag medyo mainit na yung room, kasi naka-bodysuit pa siya, guys. Kasi kala namin sa tent na kami matutulog. So, that's all for today, guys. Kung may gusto kayo na i-vlog ko next time, or if you wanna know about us more, please comment in the comment box, and I'm happy and willing to answer all your questions or to do what you want me to do for my next vlog. So if you want to know more about us, please click and subscribe, guys. Good night.